No. No, my student. No. My student, do you know what are you doing after the break and during the break? Study only, yeah, my student. Why? Because on examination, look in here, diencephalon, This is callosum body. This callosum body, my student, yeah? This is gyrus cinguli. Gyrus cinguli. This callosum body. This thalamus with epi and metathalamus, to get thalamencephalon. This sulcus hypothalamicus, and this is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, there are many structure forms hypothalamus. Look in here, hypothalamus. What is it, the structure? There are many. Mammillary body. Look, mammillary body. 1 and 2. Mammillary body. Say it again.
Mammillary body.
In Latin. Corpus mammillare. Corpus mammillare. Again. Corpus mammillare. Yeah, corpus mammillare. This tuber cenerium. Tuber cenerium. With infundibulum and hypophysis cerebri. Hypophysis cerebri. Next. Nervus opticus. And chiasma. And tractus opticus. Again. Nervus opticus. Again. Chiasma opticum. Tractus opticus. Tuber cinerium. Infundibulum with hypophysis cerebri. Hypophysis cerebri. Corpora mammillaria. Together are formed hypothalamus. Yeah, my students. This is ventral surface of the diencephalon. Now third ventricle. You must now sit down and write the walls of the third ventricle. Look in here. This cavitas, yeah? And these lateral walls of the third ventricle forms with middle surface of the thalamus, this thalamus, yeah? Anterior wall, posterior wall, superior and inferior. Superior, callosum body, fornix and plexus hyraeidus. This superior wall. Inferior wall, the structures of the hypothalamus. Middle wall, the lateral walls, the middle surface of the thalamus. And anterior wall, columna fornix. In here, interventricular foramina, which joins third ventricle with lateral ventricle. In the left hemisphere, situated first ventricle, right second ventricle, through the interventricular foramina to the third ventricle, through the aqueductus cerebri, fourth ventricle, and then central canal of the spinal cord. Yeah, my student. So, what is it? Answer, what is it? Cortex. Good. Cortex. This is white matter. What white matter divides into the associative pathways, commissural pathways, and projection pathways. Yeah? This, next. Callosum body. Only one часть, yes, part of the callosum body. Callosum body very large, a large structure, yes. Only section callosum body. Under this, under fornix, under plexus chorioideus, yes. Now, what is it? Thalamus. No, thalamus. This capsula interna. This lenticular body. Corpus lenticularis with the claustrum, and here claustrum, yes. And capsula externa and capsula extrema. Next, my student. Capsula interna. Say capsula interna. Nucleus lenticularis.
Nucleus lenticularis.
Nucleus caudatus.
Nucleus caudatus.
This nucleus caudatus.
Nucleus caudatus.
Nucleus lenticularis. This claustrum. And capsula white. Capsula externa and capsula extrema. Extrema, again, what is it? Thalamus. Where in here thalamus? Thalamus, this is crurofornices. Thalamus higher lies, yes? In here, thalamus. Yeah, thalamus. Next, ventriculus tertius. Again, ventriculus tertius. What is it? Lamina quadrigemina. Again, lamina quadrigemina. This is cerebellum. Yeah, cerebellum. Again, what?
Cortex.
Where lies the cortex and, yes, nerve cells analysis. First and second signal system. Yes. Next, cortex and basal nuclei. Name basal nuclei. Caudal nucleus. Nucleus caudatus. Again.
Nucleus caudatus.
Nucleus lenticularis. Again. Nucleus lenticularis. Capsula interna. Again. Capsula interna. Capsula externa. Claustrum. This is basal nucleus, where originate the motor involuntary motor pathways, extrapyramidal pathways. For example, tractus rubrospinalis, tectus spinalis, alivus spinalis, reticulus spinalis. This is extrapyramidal pathways. Pyramidal name, tractus corticospinalis, corticonuclearis. This is only pyramidal. What is it? Pedunculi cerebri. What is it? Hypothalamus. This pons. This melencephalus. My students, every part of the brain you must study according to skill. First, you must name part. For example, midbrain, or in Latin, mesencephalon. Next, divides ventral dorsal cavities and show on the preparation. Yes, my student. After this, study microscopic structure and microscopic. Microscopic structure, this is the gray and white matter. Gray matter nucleons and white matter pathways. Yeah, my student. And when we will answer on the test internal capsule, you must write very carefully. Give me please one practical copybook. You must write nucleus caudatus. You must draw nucleus caudatus. Yeah. This thalamus. Thalamus, yeah. Thalamus. And this internal capsule. Capsula interna. This capsula interna. Yes. in here. Capsula interna. All information from the peripheral ascends to our brain and goes through the internal capsule. For example, in here, tractus frontopontinus. This is tractus cortica nuclearis. This tractus cortica spinalis. This tractus thalama corticalis. This tractus accipita tempora prieta pontinus. This visual and hearing. Do you know? This is internal capsule. You must study every part of the internal capsule. Again, tractus frontopontinus. Tractus cortica nuclearis, pyramidal, yes? Tractus cortica spinalis. Tractus thalama corticalis. Tractus accipita tempora parieta pontinus, to the pons. And visual and hearing. And give me please red color and blue color. Oh. Now say please, tractus cortica or frontopontinus, red or blue? Red. Tractus cortica cortica pontinus. Yeah. Next, tractus cortica nuclearis, red or blue?
Blue.
Cortica nuclearis, pyramidal tract. Yeah? Tractus cortica spinalis, pyramidal.
Oh, the pyramidal, the one color.
Tractus thalama corticalis, blue.
Satu piramid, satu.
Tractus accipita tempora prieta pontinus. And visual and hearing. Do you know? This is the main pathways which go through the peripheral structure, or, for example, skin, to the brain, to the cortex. Yeah, my students? Our home task, first. Mesencephalon. Mesencephalon. Diencephalon. Yeah? And lecture, situation questions according to them, and test question, yes? And don't forget, study again telencephalon. Yes? Telencephalon. According scheme, name. Legend name, yes? Show on the preparation, then microscopic structure, microscopic structure detail with gray matter and white matter. And поскольку никому не нужны препараты, yes, after break, I will, my student, Marina Valentina and my group, will ask you the parts of the brain, the main structures. Yeah, my student. And now, what time? 2. And now, please, 20-minute break. After this, I will